Hello, do you know anything about the element nitrogen?
Of course I do. Let's start with the basics. The element nitrogen, as you can see here, has 7 protons and 7 neutrons. It has 2 clouds of electrons, which in total has 7 electrons. The protons, as you may already know, is positively charged and the neutrons are neutral.
Oh, so this is what the element nitrogen is?
This is just a start.
Um, I have one question, what is the chemical symbol of nitrogen?
The chemical symbol of nitrogen, as you can see in here, is the letter capital N. And the atomic number of nitrogen is 7.
Then which group is nitrogen in?
Nitrogen is in the 13th group, and also nitrogen is in the second period.
What is the reactivity and the density of nitrogen?
The reactivity of nitrogen isn't really high because, for example, alkaline metals are in the first group, and they are really reactive. They are usually not found in nature alone. So, as you go through the periodic table from left to right, the elements in the groups will get less reactive. So nitrogen isn't really reactive. The density of nitrogen is 1.251 grams per liter, and at 0 Celsius, the density of nitrogen is 101.325 kPa. This stuff is really complicated, so you shouldn't really worry about it right now.
Okay.
Some facts about nitrogen are nitrogen can be either liquid or solid. When nitrogen is found in the wild, they are usually solid. Air contains nitrogen mostly, so that means when we breathe in oxygen, we're actually breathing in mostly nitrogen. Nitrogen is colorless, which means it doesn't have a color. It has one bonding. When nitrogen bonds with other elements, they bond by the covalent bond.
Oh, that's
The
very...
covalent type of the type of bond that they use to bond with each other is called the covalent bond.
Oh, it's really interesting. What is nitrogen used for?
Nitrogen is used inside car tires. Nitrogen is used in aerospace and aircraft industry, as you can see here. Nitrogen is also used inside spacecraft, like a spaceship. It's also used to pipe through the pipelines. Here's a picture of the nitrogen used in car tires.
Oh, okay. Thank you for telling all about nitrogen.
No problem. See ya.
See ya.